How to fix chat settings in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Roblox on a device. Now wait for some time and sign in into your account. Now tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now tap on privacy. Now wait for some time and tap on communication. Now click on experience chat. Now change from no one to friends. Again select friends. I hope this will fix your issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.